Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Roblox account. So if you want to log into your Roblox account, first of all open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox application, tap on login, which is on the bottom, and in first blank you have to enter your username or email or your phone number. So I'm entering my username. And in second blank you have to enter your password. So after entering your username and password, tap on login. So after tapping on login, you have successfully logged into your Roblox account. So this is how you log into your Roblox account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.